How to unmute conversations on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Find the messages that are already muted. You will see a mute icon beside the messages that are muted. If you want to unmute any message from here, then go over to that message and swipe left. Then, tap on Unmute as shown. You have now successfully unmuted this message. As you can see, the mute icon will now disappear. You can repeat this to unmute the other messages as well. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily unmute conversation on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.